Hey guys, welcome back to the workshop. My name is Ben, and it is Workshop Wednesday. We're gonna jump into a different location quick here in a minute, but first I just wanted to give you a little update because we are gonna do the giveaway this week. I want to pick a winner. So to be eligible to enter to win the giveaway, comment on this video or any of our social media posts, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Glenn's going to be the only person that comments on my TikTok, and I'm okay with that. If you don't all go find my TikTok page, I won't be heartbroken. But yeah, just leave a comment, and everybody that leaves a comment, I'm going to take your names, throw them in the random generator, and then pick a winner. So, anyways, over the weekend, Megan and I, my wife, my lovely, beautiful wife, Megan, we worked on our garage storage system. We are trying to move out of our storage unit, which we've had for 3 years. And there's like this weird trap with a storage unit, right? Like you just put your stuff in there and you forget about it, and you hopefully remember to pay the rent so that they don't sell it on a reality TV show. But at this point in time, you know, starting a business, whatever, we're trying to minimize expenses wherever we can. And getting rid of the storage unit when we have a garage at our apartment totally makes sense. So, stick around and watch how it's done. It's straight up off the bat. It's a big chunk of time lapse. It's a little different than my original plan, because I forgot to take my plan with me. But it holds all this. We figured it out. We made it work. So yeah, watch it get built, loaded, and figured out. So I hope you enjoy, and we'll catch you on the end. Hey guys, what's up? My name is Ben, and welcome back to DuckHill Workshop. This, making her YouTube debut, is my lovely wife, Megan.
Hi. Shit, this is why people don't do YouTube videos together. Fuck.
Today we are updating the storage in our garage. We're trying to move out of our storage unit, and just needed to put a little bit of work into here, and it hasn't happened lately, but we have a weekend, and we're going to use it.
Exactly.
Are you going to tell them what we're going to build?
Oh, that's a great question. We're going to continue the French cleat system that we have currently up on the west wall, more onto the east wall, and hopefully the back wall as well, just to kind of really utilize the space we have. Right now, both of our cars don't really fit, well, neither of our cars, I guess, really don't really fit in the space that we have, so we decided to kind of maybe use it for more storage than
Since
garage.
we store both of our canoes in here as well. So you don't see it. The big canoe is already outside to make out of the way. Both canoes are going to move to the east wall. The bikes are going to come down off the back wall. We're going to build shelving along the back wall that's going to accommodate a bunch of stuff out of our storage unit. And then shelving will eventually wrap onto the east wall as well. Hopefully then there won't be anything on the floor of the garage other than our bicycles. And yeah, so we're just going to jam through the rest of this. When we get to actually building, the first part's just going to kind of be cleaning and organizing, and then we'll kind of jump further into the garage to show you the building of the shelves.
listening to this? Great. You're a jerk. Hey guys, just a quick update. We kind of finished, we'll say, step 1 of the shelves. We emptied out a lot of our storage unit, so it looks a little bit more disheveled in here than it actually probably is, just because we moved a bunch over before we really had the shelves ready to go for it next. But I think the plan is to build a shelf system on wheels next, so that we are able to kind of move it around the space as we need it, and really get the space looking for what we need, but also being functional. So yes, we're storing all of our stuff here, but we also still need to be able to get in, get the canoes out, get the bikes out. Ben has a workbench in here, so still being able to maneuver and make it functional for us.
Yeah, it sounds about right. We skipped a bunch. We were so excited this morning to get the second half of the shelves built that you really don't see any of that other than us moving totes in.
I think I see your butt a lot.
Well, who doesn't like that? But yeah, other than that, Megan covered it, and we'll give you an update again once it's all done. Cool. Until next time.